I love how straight hair instantly just snatches my facial. I have a really round face, and long straight hair always makes my face look more elongated, so it gives it a more oval look, which I'm really freaking with, okay?
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
Bust down middle part me, please. This wig from KissLove Hair is so silky straight, y'all. It is beautiful. It is effortless. This is one of their wear and go units, and this is the largest lace closure size that I have seen on a glueless lace closure wear and go wig to date. It is 10 inches across, so it's almost a full frontal on me, and it is 6 inches back. Look at that parting space. I want to thank KissLove Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. So this is one of KissLove's wear and go wigs. It is a straight texture. It has that larger lace size, like I mentioned, and it is 26 inches long. So she literally touches the top of my butt. Not too full, but not thin either. It is the perfect natural density. Also, look at how flat this wig is on top. This baby is so flat to my head. I can't even tell I have braids on underneath this wig, okay? So I did spray this wig down a little bit in the middle, but I'll show you exactly how I laid this wig. I did not spray down the sides because I knew I just wanted to do a middle parting and that the sides wouldn't show. So if you would like to see how easily I installed this wig today and styled her, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
East Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Ride my own ride.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's hard to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the
the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you.
This wig was super easy to install, y'all. She looks super gorgeous. I'm loving this silky straight texture of this wig. If you're interested in checking out this wig from KissLove Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? Go ahead, click the box right here so you can get a flawless beat like this one.